Good afternoon, cheap jeepers, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the cheapest fix possible on my door handle. It's not going to cost any more than 5 cents. Woo. Alright guys, so when I first bought from the Jeep, they had a broken door handle. Just a little plastic bit there is broken, so every time a passenger would go and open the door handle, the whole plastics would just come off and you wouldn't be really able to open it unless you wound down the window, reached outside and unlocked it from the outside. So it's a little bit annoying. So I was just going to buy a new one, brand new off eBay, so it's probably a lot cheaper than going to my local Jeep shop and buying one. But from eBay it was $55 for a brand new, just a little bit of plastic. I tried to find second hand ones and people still wanted $40 something for them. I was like, fuck that. So I even tried to find a second hand one and no luck. Either nobody had them or they're $55 again. So I was like, nah, $55 for a little bit of plastic like that. Nah, not paying $55 for that. So my idea behind this fix is that I'm going to drill a hole in the centre of the 5-cent coin that's about the same size as the bolt, just because the plastic around where the bolt sits is actually broken. So hopefully I should be able to just drill the hole, put the screw through it, and it should be good to go. If not, I think I might run into an issue. I might have to bend the sides of the coin up, just so there's like a little indent, because I think there's a little bit of an indent in the plastic. But we'll drill the hole first and we'll see how we go from there. Right, so I've just finished on the hole and now threading the screw through. Actually got the right size first try, so that's pretty good. I've had to bend, don't know if you guys can see that, it's probably out of focus, to bend the corners of the 5-cent piece, just because the indent of the plastics on the other side arched in just a little bit. So let's try to put it in and see how we go. Hopefully we've got it right the first time. Alright, so really happy with the way that's worked out. Pretty simple, really easy. So now I'm just going to give it a little bit of a sand and a quick paint so it's nice and black so it matches the rest of the car. Nice. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching me fix my little door handle there with a 5-cent coin. Definitely a lot cheaper and easier thing to do than going out and spending $55 on just a flimsy little bit of plastic that's probably going to break again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we will be doing a 200 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in the next episode, and thanks for watching. Bye!